In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a new client. As you can see, we've already logged into WebFit, and once again, it brings me directly to my list of clients. And here we've got the Add New Client link. When you click this link, a pop-up window will show up, and it's a pretty straightforward, simple form. You'll go ahead and type in a first name, and for simplicity's sake, I'll call him Client 2. One thing you'll notice is as I type the first name and then subsequently the last name, in the username box, you'll see the username begin to basically create itself. And it is based on the values that I type in the first and last name. Once you tab out of the username, it actually checks to see if that username is in fact available. You'll see it right here. Client 2 is an available username. Now, if it didn't say available or said the username is being used, you can actually go back into here and modify it some other way. For example, if you wanted to just call it Client T or Client 2.1 or something like that, you tab out again, it checks again to make sure that the change is available. Now, you won't be able to proceed until that username is available. So I'll go ahead and change it back to Client 2. The user default obviously is client. Here you put the client's email address. It's important to have a current email address because all of the communications through the system will be sent to this email address. For this particular setting, I'll go ahead and just set it up to a testing email. Birth date is obvious, and gender is obvious. And here we will go ahead and submit. You'll notice that immediately Client 2 is available in your client list. And I'll go ahead and show you what happens on the system side and what the client eventually sees. So here you see the message that the system sends to the new client. It basically says your new account has been set up. Please click the link below to log in for the first time. So when they click on this link, it takes them to the login page where they can enter their new password, whichever they would like it to be, and it immediately logs them in directly to the client side. And we will have another video specifically for taking you through what the client eventually sees on their side.